Listen, wavy bagels.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit said I drip, drip, drip when you slide.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as you can tell, we're going to start on this hair because it's looking a hot mess. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair in the shower, and I'm just going to be using two products, which is the Miel, and then I'm also going to be using the Shea Moisture. I think this is the apple cider vinegar. Like the mask from Shea Moisture is so good. So yeah, we're just gonna start by just rinsing any product that I have in my hair, because I'll be wearing my hair in a ponytail all week, so it's like build up gel, edge controller. So we're just gonna rinse all that out, and then I'm just gonna go in and just start washing my hair. Y'all, I don't have any like specific technique that I do. I just go in and just wash my hair. I don't do anything special. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm going to probably pop in and out, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this B-roll, and yeah, just keep on watching.
It seemed like I get so much, but don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, and I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love sometimes. Yeah. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty lips, skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never seen no real bitch when it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my moves, back up on me. Just down in my soul, I am on my own, I'm in control. Ain't letting me go. Back up on my moves.
Hey girls, so it's a little bit later. I look insane. I have my conditioner in my hair because I just got out of the shower. Y'all saw when I washed my hair, so I just have my conditioner sitting. But in the meantime, I really wanted to try to move my bed and kind of unscrew it, because I'm supposed to be moving tomorrow, y'all, and I kind of want to just do this myself. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, is try to move like the mattresses off my bed. The bottom part, like the bottom mattress, is so heavy, but we're gonna try to move it. And I want to unscrew my actual like bed. If y'all know about these beds, you have to like screw it together. Like, it doesn't just come like that. Of course, you have to unscrew and take the little pieces apart. So yeah, I kind of want to try to do that. So let's see what it's given. Okay.
So why your love went away? I just can't seem to understand. Thought it was me and you, baby, me and you until the end, but I guess I was wrong. Don't wanna think about it, don't wanna talk about it. I'm just so sick about it. Can't believe it's ending this way. Just so confused about it, and then I lose about it. I just can't do it without you. Tell me, is this fair? Is this the way it's really going down? Is this how we say goodbye? Should've known better when you came around, that you were gonna make me cry. It's breaking my heart to watch you run around, cause I know that you're living a lie. But that's okay, baby, cause in time you will find
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? It's a little bit later, so I did my skincare. Y'all, can we get into the skin? Like, I feel like my skin looks so good. It's so glowy. Like, girl, it just looks really good. So yeah, got finished doing my skincare. I'm about to take my little supplements. I already took my vitamins, but I'm about to take my multivitamin, which is the liquid form from the Mary Ruth's. This is so nasty, y'all. This right here, if you have ever had this, it is so nasty. Like, it tastes like crushed up pills. Like, it's just like bleh. I'll be having to chug it down with some juice. I have this limeade that I got from Trader Joe's. This is okay. It honestly tastes like simply a limeade. If you've ever had that, it tastes just like it, girl. But I think this is a little bit cheaper, so I'm gonna take my little supplement and drink that down. And then I need to finish packing up because today is the absolute last day that I'm gonna be living on my own. Y'all, I don't know how to feel. I just feel like, I don't know. I was feeling bad for myself, but I'm just trying to remember that this is not like a setback. This is just like, you know, a restart, a refresh. My next apartment is going to be so much better. And yeah, period. So I'm going to finish packing up today, and then I'm selling my, what is that? My coffee table. Y'all, everything that I had on Marketplace is sold, and I'm so happy about that because I was wanting to get rid of some of my stuff before I moved out, and it looks like my goal is accomplished. So yeah, the last thing that I have is my coffee table, so we're going to sell that today. And then I'm just going to pack up everything else. Like, I have food in my pantry that I'm going to pack up and just go ahead and bring that over. So yeah, matter of fact, let me show y'all. So this is how y'all, this is how my house looks. I just wanted to wash my vases because I'm going to pack those away, and it's going to be in storage for a couple months. So I just want to make sure that they're clean. And then I also have like these bins and boxes. The bins are going to be put away in storage, but the boxes is stuff that I actually am going to be using. So I just put it in the boxes so I could just take it out and then put it away once I get to the house. And yeah, it just looks like I'm not really packed. It looks like I have so much stuff that is not packed, but it's not going to be here. So yeah, girl, this is what it's giving. And then my room is a hot mess. Don't mind. I have clothes. These are clean clothes I need to fold and put those in boxes as well. And then this bed, yeah, we're not even going to talk about it. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to take my stuff, my supplements, and then I'm going to head to Walmart because I need to get like a bin, not a bin, but like a little, like a 3-layer bin, I guess you would call it, where I can like put my hair products, my skincare and stuff like that, just put it into like the little bins. Yeah, I was going to bring it with me, but I just feel like it's not a point because I'm going to be literally in and out, y'all. So yeah, I think this is the end of this video. Until next time, because next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be in a different location. I'm gonna just be, we're just gonna be chilling, okay, vibing. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you watched it all the way to this point, thank you, girls. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video.